to Shein for partnering up for today's video. Just want to say now, use code FEI15 for an additional 15% off the entire Shein US site. Today's try-on haul is super exciting because I'm trying all of your designs from the Shein X Incubator program. This is all about empowering the most talented emerging designers. Hello! The Shein X program allows indie designers like you to create your own collection for Shein. You're encouraged to focus on your creativity while Shein does all the manufacturing, marketing, and selling. Plus, you get to share the profits. And most importantly, you keep the ownership of your designs. Get your designs promoted on their website, their apps, their socials to a global audience so that you get all the exposures you want and need and never wish for. If you're interested for applying to be a featured Shein X designer, then make sure to click the link down below to learn more. All the cool pieces from you guys I want to share with the Lindas and we'll link down in the description box. Remember that Shein offers free return within 45 days of ordering and free standard shipping on orders over $49. Again, use my code FEI15 to save an additional 15% off the entire Shein site. Let's go! The first piece I have on is actually this dress that I scrunched up to my liking. This is by Shein X Adonabri. This dress is the definition of ruched, which I really like because I get to really hide my stomach. Even towards my back, it makes me look like I have a booty because of all the ruching. It makes the peach look juicy and plump. The straps are adjustable, but let's not ignore the elephant in the room. Look at these sleeve gloves. We all know that not too long ago, this became a trend. I never got on it because I just didn't know if it looked good. Here to confirm, it looks good. I love that there's ruching on the sleeves to match the dress, and the color is so neutral that it just doesn't feel like too much. Right in the abs. There's this corset lacing that really made the dress a standout. It really portrays a princess look, your highness, royalty, you name it. Here's my Prince Charming. Love that I can hide my jigglies. Even when I'm not wearing shapewear. I mean, look at this. The freedom. Oh my god. We have to talk about this skirt. Are you serious? Oh my god. Dude, you have to get this skirt. This is by Shein X Woman in the Clouds. It's a frill, trim, asymmetrical ruffle skirt. I freaking feel like Belle. Oh my gosh. I am literally spazzing on the insides right now. My insides are turning inside out. Mid-sized girlies, please hear my cry. It's actually low in stock, so you better hurry up, guys. There's such a big portion of the skirt. This feels like a band, right? And then you get this asymmetrical V cut right here, which I'm gonna say this until I die. Anything diagonal, asymmetrical, that cuts you like a diamond, it's gonna fabricate this illusion of a tiny waist. It's screaming legs, it's screaming hips, it's so flowy. You know how short my legs are? This skirt just makes me look like I have legs. I have thighs and hips and a booty. I'm beyond right now. So impressed. Also, it is a skirt, so you do have shorts underneath. Hey. 11 out of 10. This tank is also super flattering. This is by Shein X Jian Lee. It has a zipper at the back, and the unique thing about this tank top, okay, first of all, I love the straps, thin spaghetti straps. There's this open tummy peekaboo that actually adds a little bit of a feist into your spice. Love the shade of brown because you can always mix and match this color with something neutral or colorful and it'll work. You can layer, you can do whatever you wish. I would like to note that there's no adjusting to the straps, so it is pretty long for me. It does hang a little lower on the chesty besties. I do feel like I'm clumping up. I don't have a lot of space to give. It makes my cookies look really good. Natural. This is the next piece by Shein X Amy Christine, and I actually don't have anything in this color. It's more of this forest green. Honestly, when I saw this, I thought it could be a little boring, but having it on, it's so freaking cute. I mean, look at this. These shorts have ruffles and they're super comfy. Imagine with flip-flops or something. I love how high the shorts come up because we gotta eat without giving two ducks about our stomach protruding. The waistband is actually pretty wide and it has a cinching effect with the lettuce lace ruffling around, so it gives you more of that poof. I love how easily put together this top looks with the whole outfit, the whole set, because it looks like I put a lot of effort in, but I was just lazy. There's a little bit of poofing on the sleeves, especially with this neckline. It's a V-cut with some cinching right here that you can adjust if you do have big old chesty besties. I'm pretty average. It's a little tight on the side, bibis. Be mindful of that if you are heavier chest, maybe size up. But yeah, just know it brings it all in. Okay, so these two pieces don't go together, but I just needed to be not naked. This top is again from Shein x Jian Lee. I love the concept of the top. I may have gotten the size too little. These are two separate pieces. There's this shoulder piece or arm piece, if you must, goes around your head completely on its own, which is pretty creative because I would have never thought of that. The heaviness of these materials feels pretty durable in my opinion, even though they're super accessible. If I had gotten a bigger size, this would have been really fun to go out in. Super cute, sexy, and busty. Next we have this skirt from Shein x Ronnie Rives, and I love how prominent it is from far away. I'm obsessed with the gold buttons on this bright orange, a symmetrical flap with the slit. Short or tall, this is gonna be flattering on your thighs. Again, I'm very impressed with the material. Thick. Love a piece like this where you can dress it up or down. This is Shein x Amico sheared with the puff sleeve hem dress. Unlike the previous shade of orange, this has more of a soft, subtle tangerine look, which gives off such a dreamy vibe. I was a little intimidated by the poofy sleeves because I am so stout that it was gonna eat me up. But with this neckline and a little bit of this opening here, breaks it up enough. So wearable. The skin tone of the model in this dress looks gorgeous. I'm glad to report that I do think that this shade flatters all skin tones. I mean, I think it looks pretty. Thank goodness this holds the chesties. The quality of this dress is wowing me to another level. Wearing this with my hairpin back to allow my neck to extend or peak your shoulders. Stop! This is Shein x Penelope Ping, and I love this teddy bear look. It is a set, and the top has this frame going all around town. The skirt too on the bottom is alike. My top does hang off a little low. Like I can't tell if this is supposed to be worn out or stay in. All I know is that it's giving me Kim Kardashian vibes, especially with this neutral cool tone. Love the color. I think my favorite thing about this is how comfy I look in it. I didn't even notice there's this lighter tracing on the outside. For me, it goes past mid-thigh, but I kind of like that longer lane. Very LA, very Cali vibes. You know, material girl vibes. These are the last two pieces. This is the Shein x Phoebe graphic tee. I picked it out because I thought it would be nice to just have something simple for everyone, because some people may really just like a simple crop tee on an everyday basis like me. I have this cute heart design in the middle, so I went with this nice shade of mauve pink with this red lettuce lace on the sleeves, and of course down here below the chesty besties. If you're gonna pick a crop t-shirt, make sure it's ribbed. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so for a while now, I've been trying to find a t-shirt that kind of sits underneath the chesty besties like perfectly, and I think this is it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Not too much to say about this top. I just thought I'd bring some versatility. Okay, so for these jeans, yes, the belly is peeking out on this side. I feel like I'm not rocking them correctly. This is by Shein x Fabrino Alicia. The cutout jeans, wide-legged. They're pretty long and they're ribbed. This shade is a lot more copper. I love that the banding up here does feel high-waisted, so it still gives you a lot of that cinch in. And then the peekaboo is nice and subtle. I wonder how it looks like when I sit down though. Regardless, I just don't know if I can rock it. I'm kind of shy. It just looks really nice on the curves, I'd say. It takes your outfit to the next level. And that is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying some of your designs. Make sure to check out the link down below and use my code once again if you want to save some bucks. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.